Oats and oatmeal are renowned for their versatility and numerous health benefits. Oats, in their various forms such as oatmeal, rolled oats, and steel-cut oats, are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating oats into your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits, from supporting heart health and aiding digestion to promoting weight management and boosting energy levels. Here are the 14 amazing health benefits of oats. Rich in fiber. Oats are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and promotes healthy digestion. Heart health. The beta-glucan fiber in oats has been shown to reduce blood cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Controls blood sugar. Oats have a low glycemic index, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Weight management. Oats provide a feeling of fullness due to their fiber content, aiding in appetite control and weight management. Source of antioxidants. Oats contain antioxidants like avenanthramides, which help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Enhances digestive health. The fiber in oats supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Boosts energy. Oats are a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy levels throughout the day. Supports skin health. The vitamins and minerals in oats, such as zinc and manganese, promote skin health and may help reduce acne. Improves immunity. Oats contain beta-glucan, which enhances immune responses and helps fight infections. Bone health. Oats provide essential minerals like phosphorus and magnesium, which are important for bone health. Supports healthy aging. The antioxidants in oats help combat oxidative stress and may slow down the aging process. Gluten-free option. Pure oats are naturally gluten-free and can be a safe choice for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Versatile and easy to prepare. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes, making them a convenient addition to any diet. Reduces risk of cancer. The fiber and antioxidants in oats may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colon cancer.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.